Guys, there is so much money to be made in the Forex markets right now, and if you are following any signals groups and you're unimpressed with them, then listen to this video because I have found the absolute best source of signals on the internet. Now, this is financial advice, but without further ado, let's dive in to SignalPeak. So this is SignalPeak, and what these guys do really well is actually vet all of the best and biggest signals groups on the internet, as you can see here, and they actually get the best ones and then partner with them so that you would just pay a subscription and have access to all of the best signals groups on the internet. And the best thing about this, guys, is you don't have to worry about signals that aren't going to work out. These are all groups that are run by real traders that are actually profitable, rather than some of the groups you might join from a guru or something like this, where yes, you're going to have an issue with them actually making money for you. So the best thing about this though, guys, is you actually get 1 day for free. So you can join some of these groups, see how it goes, actually follow the signals. And if you do that and you earn $99, you then just pay for the 1 month one, and it's still technically free because you've got it from your free trial. And then from that point, you just bootstrap it till you've made 350 bucks and get the lifetime deal and have access to hundreds of different signals groups from simply just getting that free trial at the start. Now, this could be longs, shorts, leverage or not leverage. It really depends. But when you're focusing on the Forex market, guys, the good thing about this is they actually give you TA that you can look at and actually analyze yourself and see why they're making the trades. So instead of just blindly following a signal you don't know anything about, you can actually see why the trader's taking the trade, and you can actually see why he's got a stop loss and a take profit in a certain area, and it's just going to justify taking that trade a lot more, leading to more profit and more confidence. So the way we get set up here is actually just pressing this start free trial button. You're going to get to a Telegram link, press the start bot, and then we're going to go directly into Telegram. Here we're going to get a message here, and yes, we're going to select this 1 day free, and then it's going to give us a bunch of different Forex signals groups. So you can pick any of these, it's absolutely fine. If you did actually purchase the subscription, then yes, you can join multiple ones, but for the free trial, yeah, just join one of these. My favorite one here is the FX Smart Money one, so let's just join that. And as you can see here, guys, there are signals that have come through literally in the last day. It is April 10th right now. And yes, there are signals coming through, which is fantastic. You can actually see here, this gold trade that they put through actually did over 300 pips, which is ridiculous. Imagine earning that on one trade. You're very quickly going to get that lifetime subscription and have these signals forever after that. But you can see here, not all of the trades are going to be successful. No trading strategy is going to have a 100% success rate. But what's important is, yes, these traders are real. They do make money. The TA is in here, as you can see. And if we do actually go to this update, you can see if we were to add up all of these pips, you've got minus 75 for a stop loss there. You've got 326 pips on the Bitcoin trade there. We have a Euro CAD trade that had 38 pips, break-even trade here, stop loss, and then a Euro New Zealand dollar trade that closed for 150 pips there. So really, we're looking at probably over 100 pips profit just from the last day of trading and following these signals. This is fantastic. And honestly, guys, it's such a relief joining a signals group and actually just having signals that work, right? So if we do go back to the SignalPeak bot here, after we've made that money in a day with this strategy, then we're going to upgrade to that monthly plan, which will be obviously $99. And from that point, you're going to be aiming for the lifetime plan, where you basically just get signals forever and make money easily. And just to summarize here, guys, we've shown you one group here today, but there are hundreds of different Forex groups that you could be joining. And yes, the average is 92% accuracy on the trades being profitable, which is ridiculous when you think about compounding, when you think about actually growing your balance, passing the prop trading challenges that you're entering, right? This kind of stuff is definitely going to be helping you to do that. So that is SignalPeak. Definitely check it out in the description. So that is SignalPeak. Definitely get that free trial. Try it for free. If you like it, you can upgrade, or yes, just aim for that $99 in the first day, and then you can upgrade basically on that free subscription, banging your profit in, and then yes, going to the lifetime after that. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. Check this one out in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.